Return journey, Cairns to Sydney, no tablets this time. Qantas have got us on an old 737 with those pop-down screens. So there'll be no entertainment for the kids this time. Just pushing away from the terminal. Get out onto the runway. See you, Cairns. See you next time. Because I will definitely come back to Cairns. It was a really nice little holiday. Beautiful weather. You guessed it. The Wi-Fi didn't work again. I know why they bother offering Wi-Fi on these flights. This time Qantas realised that an over a 3-hour flight with kids is a long time, so they've handed out these little Etch-a-Sketches. So that's one thing, I suppose. Tell you what, if I thought the meal up was bad, wait till you have a look at this. Look at this couple of little crackers and pretzels with a bit of salsa dip in the middle. When did Qantas service get so bad? Now, I could be listening to the Bruce Springsteen concert they've got playing on those little micro screens if they'd handed out some headphones. This time we came prepared with our own snacks. Because, look, it's over a 3-hour flight, right? And just found out our flight's going to be delayed as well, so I better make this little thimble of water last as long as possible. Thanks for watching.